Morning, everyone. Sunday morning. What time is it? Let's have a look at the time. Still got my clock up in bed. I ain't been up long. About 7 o'clock. There you go, 7:24. Got my fire going. Yeah, let's put my kettle on top of that, keep that warm. That's already boiling, that kettle. Save on the gas a little bit. Ding, 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 ding. Look at that. It's a bit warm in here, to tell you the truth. Yeah, sorry about this. Just smoking a cup of tea. First one of the day. First one of the day. Yeah, first couple of the day. Hey, look at the sun shining through. Oh, that's lovely now. Right, let's have a sit down. I ran out of power again on my power bank. Yeah. I've had 2 of these Blue 80s and both of them weren't reliable. I suppose a bad batch, I suppose, because a lot of people say how good they are. Look, I'll show you. Lost my power again, so I've had to plug into me Jackery. That never lets me down with Jackeries. But that one does. The other one at home, I've got another one of them at home. Yeah, I've got another Blue 80 at home. I can't even charge that. Won't even let me charge it. And it'd lose 99, but you'd get to 99% and you'd lose it. Boom. It'd just go. So I've had a bad batch, you know. I don't know a lot about them. I just know they're not a lot of good. Well, not the ones I got anyway. I mean, you go try and replace them. It takes, what, a year and a day. You've got to message them. You've got to get hold of them. I've had so many bad reports. Not about them, but other, you know, just trying to change gear. It's horrible when you get up in the morning, your radio's not working, because that was plugged in today, you see. I like to lay on the bed and go, Alexa, radio 2. Yeah, this is lovely today. Look at this. My windows are a bit dirty where I've had the fire. The old soot comes down on them a little bit. Yeah, let's have a look out here. It's a bit locked. Oh, they're locked up. I've got one trolley down right now. There you go. So what's the weather forecast going to be today? It's very windy earlier. Anyway, this is just a quick hello on a Sunday morning. I hope you're all well. It's lovely and warm in here. I've got the door open now. Yeah, that's lovely. Getting rid of one of my duvet covers for the bed. That can go out the back. Underneath my bed. That makes a lot of space. Because I had 2 covers on here. Ollie, no. He sees the crack in the door. Look at him. Look. Ollie, what are you doing? Yeah, I'll take you out in a sec. Just after I've done this. You're a good boy. Ollie. I don't know where he's going a bit. Oh, there he is, look. All right, fella. Look at him, look. Do you want some water? There's your food there, look, fella. Come here then. Ollie's saying good morning this morning. Don't normally do, does he? Does he want a drop of water, fella? Yeah, let's try that. There's a big drop of water there for you. Eh? Here you go, fella. Do you want a bicky wicky? Yeah, I want these bickies, fella. There's only bickies here. Ollie, it's like you step half the time, but it ain't. It's because he ignores you. Do you want a bicky wicky? Oh. Oh, thanks, Dad. No, I'll leave that on there then. There you go. They're his favourites, they are. No, you've only just woke up, didn't you? There you go, fella. There's a good one. I'll open that door in a minute. Just put his lever around his neck and he can just go in and out as he feels. Don't you, fella? Say hello to everyone. He won't want to move till about 9 o'clock. He's in no hurry, are you, fella? Do you want another one of them? Yeah, I'll give you another one. There you go, fella. Yeah, have that one now. He's found something else now, look. He's got plenty of food. He's got these meaty ones in this, that whole left in there is full of food, and he's got the meaty ones in there too. Yeah, the meaty ones, they're the ones with all the goodness in, you know. Yeah, anyway. Nothing exciting to tell you. We didn't do a lot yesterday. We just sat in the vans. Cool, that was a rocking. For the wrong reason. God, dear. This morning about 4 o'clock it was blowing well and all. But we're heading to Scotland tomorrow. We're going to a place called, oh, I can't remember it, Clatter Shores or something. It's a lock. I could have got that wrong. Clatin Shores. Yeah, not far from Newton Stewart, my favourite place. Lovely little town, that place. Do you enjoy it there, Franny? Franny went there the other day. Told you it was good. Yeah. Right, I'll see you all when I see you. I'm trying to do a film today. I'll go outside and see what I can do. But if it's raining and cold, because that yesterday it wasn't just raining, that was like a what they call that, a wind chill. That was a cold, really cold through you. Right, everyone have a good Sunday, and I mean that. I hope you're all well. And if you can't be good, be bad.